like this area. Except for the smell of sewer gas, but Monroe Garage. Westfield Valley Fair Mall, San Jose, California. That sounds great. Ooh, right. Nice place. Bruh, really? Dumb shit. I wonder if they're gonna put 3 elevators here. This sure looks like it was gonna be an elevator. Make it look like it's gonna be glass. Some of the newer elevators in this mall, I see. Yeah, see, they were definitely gonna have 3 elevators. But they only have 2. This is elevator number 3 here at the Monroe Garage, here at Westfield Valley Fair Mall, San Jose, California. OTIS. Oh wow, this thing is already getting beat up.